Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers team back out here. We're just now starting this project. This is a big project for any piering contractor. We're going to put piers all the way around all four sides of this house. He's got some settlement. Nothing's really settled evenly. We were out here a couple of weeks ago and we put a laser level on all four sides, and there's nothing that reads the same. So we're going to come in here and level everything at the footing like we do on all these jobs. This one here, as everybody knows, the time-consuming part is actually the digging of our perfect holes. Some of these holes we're going to dig down to the footing with our mini excavator. Over here in front, they've had some concrete repair on the walls done previously by another contractor, and the cracks are still leaching water from the inside. So we're going to kill two birds with one stone on that part. Clean the outside portion of the wall, seal all the cracks with epoxy 300 and polyurethane, then come back and tar everything. That way when we're done, we don't want anything to leak water. So even though this is not a waterproofing job, when you go from corner to corner, there's no reason not to seal the wall. So stay tuned as we're getting progressed out here, just getting started. King Piers LLC. You can check us out on Facebook. You can go to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.